Okay, last another cool interesting method when you work with polygons. Because this tool, what I was talking about, I published more than 4 videos. Because this tool has lots of possibilities. There is also another possibility. You can quickly create 5 objects by using this tool. Crazy spokój. Again, my dogs are loud and noisy today. It is really hard to work today. Well, I, okay, I'm getting back to you people, and I will copy clockwise my curve object. Okay, I will have to select. I should have some divided that curve. To be able to subdivide, you have to select 2 points. What I want to do, now I can select all the curve and I will rotate clockwise. Shift D, Shift D, Shift D. But you have to have a mesh in the scene to do that, to generate shape. I will have to do something interesting before I will show you, because I watched lots of video tutorials. I don't know if I will be able to generate shape or not. I will try. Or I will have to do once again. I think I should be okay, and I will have to add a custom polygon. It is okay when you add the plane because you can generate 5 shape or whatever, even if you only use the curve. But make sure you use cyclic cross follow. In this option follow is important. Loops on strokes. Now I will have to decrease. You can see how this shape changed very beautifully. And I will zoom in. I will check some settings because I could use undo. Okay, I have to turn this on. You can also use rotate. But because I have got shapes, I have to generate shapes. This message comes up when we have got nothing in the scene, when we haven't got polygon in the scene. Or you can see I generated 5 shape objects. You can create 5 for motorcycle. I think I can still edit this. I will check how large my video is. I still got couple minutes. Unfortunately, video cannot be long when you send to TikTok. TikTok only allows you to publish video tutorial which is 10 minutes. Oh. I wanted to extrude my curve. Motorcycle shape 5. I will check if this is possible at all to do that. I don't know if this is possible. I'm very interested in to see if that option would be possible or not. Actually, this is possible. You can generate a pipe for motorcycle as well. What the thing is. Depending how spline looks like, I'm very pleased with the results. I hope you like my video tutorial. This does not have perfect shape. You can always cancel changes. I forgot to mention you can change resolution of the curve. I don't know if this changes anything, but you can quickly, you can use handle to move this little bit further. Only one thing I struggle when I have got handle that way. I will have to use something local or normal. At least I can use normal to move this little bit further. Now it looks like proper motorcycle 5. Oh, this, but I only don't like, oh, now polygon shape. I noticed that in this version of Blender, this tool works faster in this version of Blender.